Hello friends, welcome to another refrigeration and air conditioning HVAC mechanic red seal license exam reviewer. So in this video I'm gonna cover 10 questions with multiple choices. So this is set number 1. Starting with the first question. You notice a compressor on a split system that is frothing on startup. What do you do? A. Check the normally open contacts on the control relay. B. Check voltage of compressor. C. Check draw current of compressor. Or D. Check the normally closed contacts on the control relay. Correct answer is D. Check the normally closed contacts on the control relay. Number 2. What type of oil do you use with R402B refrigerant? A. MO mineral oil. B. ALK. C. POE. Or D. PAG. The correct answer is B. ALK. 3. What must be on site when using R401B? A. MSDS. B. WHMIS. C. Building code. D. Building floor plan. A is the correct answer. MSDS. Number 4. When leak checking a subatmospheric pressure chiller, what is the proper way? A. With the system running, use an electronic leak detector. B. With the system running, use soap. C. Shut down the chiller, pressurize it to 5 psig and use an electronic leak detector. Or D. Shut down the chiller and pressurize it to 25 psig. Correct answer is C. Shut down the chiller, pressurize it to 5 psig and use an electronic leak detector. Number 5. On a 3-phase motor using a pilot duty overload, where do you install the overload? A. In series with windings. B. In parallel with windings. C. In series with contactor. D. In parallel with contactor. Oh, sorry about that. Accidentally pressed a button here. Okay. Correct answer is A. In series with windings. Let me just check, make sure that I'm on the right number here. Okay. So now we are on number 6. When troubleshooting a VAV box that the damper won't open, what is the sequence you check? A. Thermostat, controller, actuator, damper, linkage. B. Controller, actuator, damper, linkage, thermostat. A. C. Actuator, damper, linkage, thermostat, controller. Or D. Damper, linkage, thermostat, controller, actuator. The correct answer is A. Thermostat, controller, actuator, damper, and linkage. Number 7. What can you put on an insulated line to ensure the integrity of the insulation is maintained? A. Saddle. B. Split ring hanger. C. Tie wrap. D. Clamp. Correct answer is A. Saddle. Number 8. If there is too much calcium and magnesium buildup on a chilled water system, how do you rectify this problem? A. Increase the flush rate. B. Decrease the flush rate. C. Remove and change with fresh glycol. D. Remove and add clean water. Correct answer is A. Increase the flush rate. Number 9. The capillary tube on a remote bulb TXV is cut. What problem will occur? A. The TXV will hunt. B. The TXV will open all the way. C. The TXV will close all the way. D. The superheat will be too high. Correct answer is A. The TXV will hunt. And the last question, number 10. How much slope do you need for a 70-foot suction line? A. 1/2 inch per 10 feet. B. 3 inches. C. 4 inches. Or D. 2.5 inches. Correct answer is A. 1/2 inch per 10 feet. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope you like it. I hope you found something good in this video. Cheers and have a good one.